Hello everyone, I am Ramon. Welcome back to Ramon at Home. I'm so excited you're here today because we're gonna start a brand new series for quarantine. I have been home for over 35 days now, living only for essential shopping like groceries and toiletries. And other than that, I've been here home and I came up with this idea where I'm gonna show you guys a really quick video every day. Yes, I said every day. I'm gonna come up with a new floral arrangement all this week. Then the week after that, we're gonna do wreaths, really quick videos. Then after that, we're gonna do centerpieces. Then after that, we're gonna do tablescapes. But I wanna show you guys really quick how to do a floral arrangement that can be used inside our home. And this is gonna be done with a variety of containers. And for today's video, I show this really pretty blue and white container. And we're gonna do a very pave style bouquet. And we're gonna use all of these white flowers. We're gonna keep it very monochromatic, inspired by the blue and white that I absolutely love. So I'm gonna use this container, then I'm gonna use 12 roses in cream, and I'm gonna use 20 stems of lilac, and then I'm gonna use 2 pearl hydrangeas that I cut very short, and I'm gonna use this piece of foam right here. Now this is gonna be a pave style, but it's gonna be very elegant, and I love monochromatic bouquets so much. So what we're going to do, we're gonna keep it simple. I'm just gonna go ahead and insert this foam right here into our container. Now I do want to mention that when you do a pave style, you want that foam to go under the rim of your container. If you guys can see right here, you can see it barely poking out. And the reason why is because we want to insert those flowers as far down so they are sitting on the rim of our mouth, and there's not gonna be barely any greenery showing other than the one that is on the flowers. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm gonna start with these roses, and I'm gonna start right here. So I'm gonna poke this guy right here. Like I said, I want them to be at the rim of the mouth, poking out. Now this is such an elegant look, and this is probably one of my favorite bouquets, and I cannot believe that I've never shown you guys how to do this bouquet of flowers. So we're gonna do 5 first, and I wanna explain real quick. This one's too tall. What I wanna explain real quick is that, as you guys can see, I did 3 of them, and then I put 2 in the corners right here, and that's gonna keep it more like a bouquet of a posy. So now that I have this, it's gonna give me the guideline to continue to build my bouquet. So basically I'm gonna go ahead and do one right here, and I wanna keep them all at the same height. I'm gonna do, remember what we do on the right, we have to repeat on the left. So now as you can see, it's 3 and 4. Then I'm gonna go ahead and insert one right here. And when you insert your flowers on the top, go ahead and put them on an angle like this. That way, it is more balanced. So now I'm gonna do 5. So I started with the corners. I'm gonna do the middle right here, and I'm gonna go in on the sides. And keep in mind that I'm pushing all the way to the rim of the container. Then I'm gonna go on this side right here. So we're basically gonna use half of the container. We're gonna do the roses. Then what I'm going to do is I'm gonna bring this lilac, and like I said, this is gonna be a very monochromatic look. I love monochromatics. That means that it's all the same shades of the same color. In this case, it's white, which would be white, beige, cream, pearl. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and insert this guy right here. And I want this to sit just above my roses. So I'm gonna go ahead and put another one. And you start in the middle right here and then fan outwards, because that's gonna create a lot of balance. And you wanna keep them all at once and slightly over your first flower. Thumbs up if you guys agree with this idea of the videos daily. I'm just trying to find a way to entertain you guys, because I myself was finding myself watching the news way too much, and I decided that I needed to stop because I was really getting depressed, because we don't know when all this is gonna stop. So I'm gonna try and bring you ideas like this that are easy and quick to make our homes look more beautiful while we are quarantined. All right, so then what I wanna do is I'm gonna go ahead and fan them all the way out like that. Like you can see is the first row, and you have to go as far down as the mouth right here of our container, so it's covered. And from here on, we can just go ahead and poke our flowers. That gave us a guideline, and from here on, it just gets easy because you can just making sure that they're all at the same height. And this looks so beautiful when it's done with fresh flowers, and especially when you do like the pinks and fuchsias. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna throw a picture right now of one that I did with fresh flowers. There was like pearl to fuchsia, and it was just so beautiful. Now this is called an ombre style of bouquet because you're having the same shade fading into another color like this. All right, so I have one more right here. So cute. All right, so far we have one whole side done with roses that really take up a lot of the bulk of the bouquet. Then on this side we have this beautiful lilac that just gives you so much texture. And then to finish it off, I'm gonna go ahead and add this pearl hydrangea to cover just the rest of the bouquet and make sure that just sits at the rim of the mouth. And just like that, you guys, you have a gorgeous bouquet of flowers that is monochromatic and super easy to put together. If you like this idea, I really would like if you share it with your friends on Facebook so they know how to make this simple bouquet. I cannot wait to read your comments, so leave me a comment down below and let me know how are you dealing with quarantine, and if you want to see more videos like this for another beautiful and super easy bouquet, come back tomorrow for another episode of this quarantine decorating. Thank you guys, and until next time, bye.